Hey everyone, welcome to RTech. So what I've got here today is the TradeSmart Complete Eye and Ear Protection. This particular one is in gunmetal gray. It does come in various colors. You have the options of blue, you have the gunmetal gray, which I've got here, as well as pink, purple, and yellow. In addition to the 5 different colors, they offer 2 different packages, technically 4 different packages between the two. You can do 1 pair of eyeglasses, which is just going to be clear, and you have the other option of doing a pair of clear glasses as well as tinted glasses. And even between 1 pair or 2 pair of glasses, you also have the option of choosing between professional glasses and premium glasses. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the eye and ear protection that we got here. Like I said, this is in gunmetal gray. As you can see here, this one comes with the 2 different pair of glasses. You got the clear one as well as a tinted one. You got your earmuffs and the earplugs. Check out the side here. Now you have your ratings. The over ear is rated, has an NRR rating of 28 decibels. And then the disposable ones has an NRR rating of 33 decibels. This does come with a 10-year warranty, and it does give you little instructions on how to clean it properly. So it does mention here that they do redirect a percentage of their profits to a children's charity, which is Tuk Tuk. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. As you can see here, it's got a nice carabiner clip here in case you want to hook it onto your range bag or backpack. All right, looks like a nice spacious case we got here. Got your gunmetal gray earmuffs. These are over the ear style, nice and soft. Got some nice padding on the inside as well. And here we've got the tinted lens. On this side we have the disposable earplugs. These disposable ones has an NRR rating of 33 decibels. Here's your warranty card. It's talking about an online safety gun course. It mentions here if you sign up for the 10-year warranty, you get access to the course for free. And on this side, over here, we've got the clear shooting glasses. Now, both of these glasses are ANSI certified. They're also anti-scratch, anti-fogging, and UV 400 rated protection. Now, these particular glasses are their professional glasses. One of the good things I like about having ear and eye protection designed for shooting is the fact that I also double my shooting glasses and my shooting muffs for my yard work. The reason being, if it's rated enough to handle shooting, it's definitely going to be rated to handle any kind of noises you get from weed whackers, chainsaws, lawnmowers. And another thing is that I tend to volunteer a lot for MotoGPs whenever they're here in Texas. So I also use my gun muff whenever I'm out on the track as well, because those MotoGP motorcycles are hella loud. You need really good ear protection if you want to save your ears. And I generally use my gun earmuffs when I'm out there. Now, what I'm really liking about this set is that you've got clear glasses for when you're doing indoor shooting, and you've got tinted glasses for outdoor shooting, or as again, like I said, outdoor work. Sunny days, I'll use this. Cloudy days, I can use the clear one. I do like that it comes in this nice form-fitting case here, but it does have some adjustability to it. So the biggest thing about wearing something like this is the comfort. If it's not comfortable, you can't wear it for very long, and if you can't wear it for very long, then it's kind of pointless, because then you're just going to want to be taking it off, or it's going to make your day at the range not very enjoyable if your ears are hurting. So I did wear this just walking around the house and whatnot for about 45 minutes, I guess it was, and it's comfortable, and I didn't feel any overwhelming pressure or discomfort from wearing it for so long. It completely fit over my ears, so that wasn't an issue either. I didn't really feel any pressure points with these ear muffs, so not one particular spot where this was against my head was pressing harder on my skin than other parts. It had a nice good seal around my ears. This is actually pretty tight, got a nice strong fit against your ear, but again, it seems to be pretty well balanced. It did seem to block out a lot of noise pretty well. Yeah, so far I am actually liking these earmuffs quite a bit. I am quite impressed with it. I will be using these for the yard work, woodworking. Thank you for watching. This was the TradeSmart Complete Eye and Ear Protection. If you guys have any questions about this, please feel free to ask in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer you. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day, and y'all stay safe out there.